3. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, children, we are going to start the textbook exercises now. So, what is written here on the second page, number 13? Chapter number, which chapter number is this?
Long and short.
Chapter number 2, long and short. The concept related to this chapter number 2, long and short, we have already covered. How to find the meter, centimeter, how to measure the objects into the lengths, and how to convert the lengths, how to add and subtract, word problems related with all the concepts which we have already covered. Now we are doing the textbook exercises. Textbook exercises also based on the concept which we have already covered. Somewhere you will do subtraction also, somewhere you will do addition also. So you need to be alert. I will timely ask you which operation they are applying here. So please carefully read the chapter along with me without switching on your mics. First is given, guess the distance between any two dots. How many centimeter it is? So first of all, assume any two dots in your mind and guess the distance. For example, if I am assuming the O and D dot, okay, I am assuming, children, you are joining 2 minutes late. I have already started the class. Navya, I've already started the class because I will start the class on time. Then you will face the difficulty that what ma'am is teaching, I am not aware. Next time I'm requesting you all, please join class on time, because I will start the class on time. I will not wait then. So if I am assuming in my mind two dots, which is O to D, and if I say the length according to guessing, if I say that is 1 centimeter distance between O to D, right? So when I measure with the scale, maybe it comes exactly 1 centimeter or maybe less than or more than. But first I will guess, and guessing should be near about. Itna difference nahi hona chahiye. If I say the distance is 5 centimeter, if this much distance, I cannot say it is 5 centimeter, no? Yes, na? So guessing should be nearest one. Okay, so start guessing any two dots and tell me what is the distance with the guessing, not with the measuring with the ruler. Yes, Deep Patel, which two distance you are guessing?
A and B.
A to B. A to B. Can you guess what is the distance between?
3 centimeter.
3 centimeter. Now take a ruler and start measuring it, whether it is coming exactly 3 centimeter. Children, this is an activity. Wait a minute, Deep. Children, this is an activity which is showing you.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, I am taking A to H.
Wait, you whatever the distance you are taking, please start writing in the chat box and write their guess answer. This is an activity. Okay, this is an activity which is showing you how to learn the measurements. कैसे मेजर करना है ऑब्जेक्ट्स को, ये एक्टिविटी आपको ये सिखा रही है. दी exactly 3 centimeter it is coming. Good. Mir Virani, you telling A to
H, ma'am.
So can you guess what is the distance?
Ma'am, I am guessing 4.5.
Okay, now measure it with the scale, whether it is coming exactly.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am measuring the length to
No, ma'am, 4.6.
Means you are correct nearby, right? जितना difference नहीं है. Yes, you.
3, C and K.
Okay.
My guess answer is 1.5.
Okay. Now measure it with the scale. Answer is here. Ahana, Kush, Desai, Hansel, please mute camera on. Kavisha, Meet, Navya. Now,
My camera is not working.
okay. Wait a minute, Ahana.
Ma'am, I'm doing E to H.
Oh, now you.
I think it is 3 centimeter.
Okay, children. Now you try this activity at home.
Ma'am, it's coming 1.6.
Okay. Now listen, everyone.
Example.
Listen, everyone. Mute your mics. This is an activity. Examples we have already tried. Now you try it with your own family members. You can try with them that whether they are guessing correctly and then measure it with the scale whether it is coming properly or not. Now we will see that which two dots are furthest and which two dots are nearest. Can you tell me the distance? Now can you guess me? The distance between two dots is far. Which two dots are showing you the far distance?
Ma'am, D to H.
D to H. Okay.
Ma'am, Ahana.
Yes, Ahana.
O to D.
Okay. O to D is the near distance, not far. Far means dur, near means pass.
Ma'am, E to K is the long distance and O to D is the short distance.
Okay. Can we move? Take out the page number 14, everyone. Page number 14. The shorter line. Akbar was a famous king. He had a smart minister called Birbal. You all know Akbar. Who is Akbar? Who was Akbar?
Ma'am, in the Hindi Rimjim book,
Yes.
ma'am,
Akbar.
it is a story on Akbar and Birbal. So we know.
So you know that Akbar was a king. Yes. And he had a smart Children, wait a minute. Yes, sorry. Akbar was a famous king and he had a smart minister called Birbal. Once Akbar gave him a difficult question. He drew a line on the floor. What Akbar did? What Akbar did? Mohammed,
He
what Akbar did?
drew a line on the floor.
What Akbar did, Mohammed? Mohammed, what Akbar did?
I go to washroom, please.
Yes, please go. He drew a line. एक line बना दी उसने जमीन पे. Okay. And then he asked the Birbal to mute your mic, everyone. Someone mic is on. Someone mic is still on.
Ma'am, Lisa's mic.
So he told Akbar told Birbal that Birbal, there is a line and make it shorter without erasing. So what do you think? What he has done? Because he was very smart. Birbal was very smart.
He has drawn a big line that then Akbar's line, so Akbar's line is shorter now.
Yes. So what Birbal did, Birbal drew a line, bigger line compared to the Akbar's line. So automatically, when you draw one more big line near to it, automatically the another line will be shorter than this. So he was very intelligent. Now look at the picture and explain how Birbal made the line shorter. Now can you be as smarter as Birbal? Make this line shorter without erasing it. Just think, is there any other is there any longest line? Can you think and do this?
What, ma'am?
Now you also think more different ideas how you can make it shorter with different ideas. Okay.
Ma'am,
Can
mic is on.
yes?
Mic is on.
Hit mute your mic, please. And everyone, Kiana, Arnav, Meet, Hansil, Varinya, turn on your mic cameras, please.
Ma'am, I come in. Go wash
I think you children are playing with the camera. Okay. Go down. Please mute your mic.
Mic is on.
Half of the time goes in this way only, that our teacher has to instruct you that mute your mics, mute your mics. Okay. So now next activity is make her arm 1 centimeter longer than the left arm. There is a one girl. One arm is already shown here. Can you measure what is the length of this arm? Everyone, please measure the length of the arm which is already drawn here for you.
Ma'am, it's about 1 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
Now draw one more arm towards the which side? Right side,
Right side.
which is 1 centimeter longer than this. So now I will ask from Meet.
2 centimeter on the
Yug Surana. Meet Prohit. Meet, if the right arm is 1 centimeter, what will be the length of the left arm then? If the arm which is already drawn for you is the length is 1 centimeter, what will be the length of the another arm if you make 1 centimeter longer than this? Meet, can you hear me? He's not paying. Ahana, can you please try this? Children, am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
So why you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
not? These are very simple activities. You need to be alert. What are we going to do here? Ahana, what we will do here now?
Ma'am, in the hand now, ma'am, this hand we have to measure that it is, how much it is longer.
So what you will do after measuring? Ahana sleeping in the class. Prayag, can you describe us what we are going to do in this?
We will make her left arm bigger than the right arm, like
Make her right arm 1 centimeter longer than the left arm. Left arm is already here drawn, which you all have measured, which is 1 centimeter. So what will be the length of the right arm now? What will be the length of the right arm?
2 centimeter.
2 centimeter.
2 centimeter.
2 centimeter.
Yes. So what are you doing here? If you add 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter, which operation you are applying here?
Addition.
Addition. So please draw the another arm for this girl and draw it 1 centimeter longer than the left arm. It means 2 centimeter arm. Go to the next, draw a cup 1 centimeter shorter than this cup. Measure the length of this cup. Measure the length.
1.5 centimeter.
Ma'am, no ma'am, it is 2 centimeter exactly, and I drew a 1 centimeter cup, and we applied multiplication, subtraction in it.
So,
Yes, yes.
yes, ma'am.
So if I measure it, it is exactly as she said, it is 2 centimeter. Yes, and when you draw 1 centimeter lesser than this, so means we are doing subtraction here. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now draw a one small cup which is 1 centimeter long, which is just half of this. Draw a broom half as long as this broom. Again, measure this. What is the length of the broom? Children, what is the length of the broom?
4 centimeter, ma'am.
4 centimeter.
And when you do the half of this 4 centimeter, what you will do? What will be the answer?
2.5 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
2.5.
Half of 4 is 2.5.
2.4.
2.
2, ma'am. 2.
2. So whenever you're taking the half of any number, you divide that number by 2. If I say the length, if any length, if I say 6 centimeter, what is the half of 6 centimeter?
3.
Ma'am, 3.
Aisha, what is the half of 8 centimeter?
Ma'am, 4.
Kavisha, Bhakti, what is the half of 10 centimeter?
Ma'am, 5.
Ahana, what is half of 12 centimeter?
11.5.
Half of 12, half. Ada, just half.
Ma'am, can I say?
Half of any number, when you find, you divide that number by 2. Half of 12 is what, Ahana?
Ma'am, can I say?
Divide 12 by 2.
Ma'am, can I say?
Priyag, by the time Ahana you find the answer, I will ask the question from other students.
Ma'am, see, ma'am, 11.6.
Ma'am, can I share?
Half of 12 is 11.6.
Ma'am,
Half of any number, divide that number by 2.
6.
yes, ma'am, the answer is 6.
6. What is half of 14, Ahana? Why you are looking there? Is someone else is giving you the answers?
No, ma'am.
So what is half of 14? Divided by 2.
Yes, ma'am, I am dividing only.
Priyag, half of 16.
Half of 16, 8.
Hit. Ahana, I will come back to you.
Okay.
Hit, half of 21.
Half of 20.
Okay, half of 22 if you say.
Half of 22.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Ma'am, 11.
Yes, Ahana?
7.
Yes. Whenever you are taking the half of any number, divide that number by 2. Meet, Meet, can you hear me? Today, I don't know what Meet is doing in the class.
Ma'am, me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Meet. Meet, what is half of 18? Dirg, half of 18.
Ma'am, can I say?
Khush Desai, half of 18.
Ma'am, I can say.
Khush Desai. He's not there. Arnav, half of 18.
6.
Half of 18.
8, ma'am.
8 plus 8 is 16 then.
Half of 18.
When half of 18, 18 divided by 2. These are the smaller numbers. When you go with the big numbers, then also you should know how to take the half. What is half of 100?
50.
What is half of 50?
50.
25. Half of 200. Half of 200.
100.
100. Got it, students? How to take the half of any number?
Yes, ma'am.
Divided by
2.
2. Now, draw another half here of double the length. Double means when you are finding the double of any number, half of any number, divide by 2. Double of any number, multiply by 2. Double of 4. Arnav Desai.
Double of 4.
Multiply by 2. 4 multiply by 2. Table of 4 2 times. 4 multiply by 2.
8.
Yes. Varija. Double of 16. 16 multiply by 2. Table of 16 2 times. You should learn the tables.
Ma'am, 8.
16, I'm not telling half. Half divided by 2. Double, किसी चीज का double करते हैं ना आप. Multiply by 2.
Ma'am,
16 multiply by 2.
Ma'am, 32.
Yes. Mir Virani.
Yes, ma'am.
Double of 40.
Double of 40, 80.
Here. Double of 20. Double of 20 here.
40.
Laisha. Double of 30.
Ma'am, double of 30. 60.
Div. Double of 25.
50.
Priyag. Double of 35.
Double of 35. 70.
Excellent. Double, you need to find the double in this way. Double means किसी चीज का double कर रहे हैं आप. You need to multiply by 2. Write here if you want to write. Double means multiply by 2. Half means divide by 2. So when you draw the hair, which is measure the hair, what is the length of the hair here?
Ma'am, we will draw double of the hair.
Yeah. If the hair length is 1 centimeter, then double of 1 centimeter will be
3 centimeters.
excellent. Double of 1 will be 3 centimeter.
No, ma'am.
2 centimeters.
2 centimeters.
Yes.
I do plus only.
If we are using the word double, then why are you doing plus? You can use plus also. 1 plus 1, 2. Then also it will be 2. Because multiplication is a repeated addition. Okay, turn the page number 15, everyone. Children, there is given, do you remember that in class 3 you measure your height? Do you think you have grown taller? If you have measured your height, is there any child who has measured the height in grade 3?
Yes, ma'am. I.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I
Yes.
also.
Yes, Yuksurana. Can you tell me how much was your length in the grade 3?
Ma'am, in the grade 3, till 3.5 or 4.
Okay. So if you have measured now in grade 4,
No, ma'am.
so whether you think that 3 से 4 में कुछ तो increase हुआ होगा?
Yes, ma'am, about 4.5 or 5.
Varinya and Varija, what are you doing in the running class, my dear? Both of you. From tomorrow onwards, if you do like this, I'll not allow you to come in my class. You better stay home.
Ma'am, I went to drink water.
Have you taken the permission? Because I saw that she was taking you there. Both of you were, I don't know what you were doing, both of you.
Ma'am, I'm thinking I'm about 5.
This much centimeter cannot grow in the 1 year. Around 5 to 10 centimeters it will grow. So now,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, Aruna.
Because I know, ma'am, in my I am heard this time was I didn't. My heart is small. I can don't but fourth in I of can chair.
Okay.
Because I know
Okay. Can I go now next to see children what they are saying? Do you think you have grown taller? How much? So if I say yes, I grow taller, maybe 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, or you can also write how much you grown up. So how you find out the difference between the grade 3 height and the grade 4 height? By subtracting. By subtracting. Suppose if I give you one task, please write it in your notebooks. Suppose I give you one task. In grade 3, you were 120. Suppose 120 centimeters. And in grade 4, you are 125 centimeters. So how many centimeters you grow in grade
5 centimeters.
5 centimeters.
5 centimeter.
So when you find the difference of the heights, you subtract and find. Okay. Now go to the next one. There is a table given. Have your friends also grown taller? Find out the fill in the blanks. This table is given to you. Varanya, your attention is not there in the textbook. There is a table given. Friend's name, last year's height, this year height, and how many they have grown. So first of all, you need to write the name of that friend. Okay. Write the name of the friend. Last year's height. See, listen here. It is not compulsory because nowadays you're not meeting with your friends. So what you do is you take your family members, okay, and measure their height. What they ask them if they have measured last year height. If they have not measured, write with the guessing, okay, some near above, and write this year height and find how much they grown up. And if you find how much they grown up, how you will find? How you will find how much they grown up in this 1 year? कैसे निकालोगे? Kavisha, will you tell us? Yes, please hit go. Will you tell us? Kavisha, if you know last year's height and if you know this year height, how you will find the difference? What is the difference? How much you grown up? How you will find that? कितने grow हुए हो? You know any idea? Kavisha is not answering. Yes, Priyag.
Ma'am, by subtracting.
Yes. Here.
Yes, ma'am.
You know if you know the last year's height also, if you know this year height also, and how you will find how much they grown up?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
How to convert 5.4 feet in centimeters?
It is feet, na?
Yes.
So where you are measuring the feet here?
No, ma'am. My mother's height is, last year my mother's height was 5.4 feet.
Okay. I will tell you. Okay. We will learn in the
Okay, ma'am.
HRM how to convert the feet into the centimeters. Now see here, I was showing this. Wait a minute. We were doing this page. Right? This page we were doing. No, not this page. This. Wait a minute. We were doing this page, right?
Yes,
Yes or
ma'am.
no? Yes. I don't want blank.
Yes,
students.
ma'am.
You need to give me the answer.
Yes,
So suppose if I have written my friend name is Ram and his last year height is 1 meter 25 centimeter and this year height is 1 meter 35 centimeter. So if I find how much he grown up in this year, so 1 meter 25 centimeter will be subtracted from 1 meter 35 centimeter. Kyun? Because 1 meter 35 centimeter is bigger. है ना? Yes or no? So I will write
Yes, ma'am.
1 meter 35 centimeter first like this. Then I write 1 meter 25 centimeter. Then I subtract centimeter from the centimeters and meters from the meters. And I got 10 centimeters is the difference. And 10 centimeter he grown up this year. Children, addition, subtraction, everything you have already done. You need to now be quick in giving the answers. Now go down. Please complete this table. This will be a home task. Complete this table. Jampa once read a list. See here. Now there was a Jampa once read a list of the tallest people in the world. She read a list that there are so many tallest people. So what she did is, one of them was 272 centimeter tall. That is just double of Jampa.
Can I go to washroom?
Children, when I teach you, if you want to go washroom, then it will be very difficult to understand. As what is written here, Mohammed, mute your mic for a minute. Yes. Children, Jampa saw some tallest people, and then one of them was 272 centimeter tall. And that person is just the double of Jampa's height. Can anyone guess what is the Jampa height? Can anyone tell me what is? Because Jampa is just half of
127. 100.
Ma'am,
Jampa.
127.
136.
Who is saying 136?
Ma'am, 136.
136.
Yes. How? Because Jampa is that person is just double of Jampa. So automatically Jampa is half of that person height mein.
Ma'am, my voice is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, coming.
Ma'am, my network issue, so I can leave in 1 minute.
Okay. So Jampa's height is 136. If I say my height is double of Prayag height and my height is 4 centimeter, so what will be the Prayag's height, students?
Centimeter.
2 centimeter.
2 centimeter. Mute your mics, please. Go down. Could that person pass through the door of your classroom without bending? So for this, what you need to do? What is written here? I think Ahana is not looking into the notebooks. She is just listening me. Not paying attention in the books. What is written here in the books? Someone mic is on. Arnav, I come to your home and mute the mic. So could that person pass through the door of your classroom without bending? If you want to see if any person in your home, don't go with that person, it's okay. You cannot imagine, but if you imagine at your home, there is a door, yes or no? Okay. So is your father passed from that door?
Yes, ma'am. He can pass.
How you will check this, whether he will able to pass or not? How you check this?
Ma'am, first we have to measure our father's height. Then we have to measure our gate's height. Then we can. Then.
Yes. First, you should know ki whether from the height of the door, whether the father will able to pass or not. How? First, you should know the height of your father, height of the door. Then only you will say yes or no. Yes or no? Same here. Same here. Could that person pass through the door of your classroom without bending? How we know? First, we know that that person height is 272 centimeter. But if we know the height of that person, we should know the height of the door also. Then only we can say whether he will able to pass or not. Yes? Next is the long and short of your family. Now, see children, some families are small families where there are 4 members only. Some families are joint families where their grandfather, grandmother, uncle, auntie are also living. So this is your home task. Who is the tallest in your family? Tell everyone to stand in the line, because you, when you stand in the assembly, you stand how? How you stand? Height wise? Who come first?
The smallest.
Smaller to bigger. Yeah. So stand in one line, all the family members, and see then who is the tallest of your family. In some family, maybe father is the tallest, but in some families, their grandfather, grandmother are also there. Maybe grandfather height is
Ma'am,
more
I
taller
have
compared
do
to the
this.
father.
I
So
have do
please,
this.
Brother is taller.
Ma'am, my grandfather is
Excuse
tallest.
me, ma'am.
yes, Varinya.
Ma'am, my grandfather, my grandmother, and my mama's height is same. They
Okay.
both are of 5.2 and 5.3 only.
But here I am asking, who is the tallest in your family?
Ma'am, my dad.
Ah.
He is the tallest. He is
So here also the answer may vary from person to person. Some will say dad, some will say grandfather, some will say grandmother. Okay. Arnav, wait a minute. I will listen your queries. Okay. Next question. Who is the shortest in your family? The person who is standing first is naturally the shortest in your family?
Ma'am, my cousin brother is the shortest.
Yes. What is the difference between their heights? Now, what is the difference between the longest and the shortest height? So, if the longest is 160 and the shortest is 120 centimeters and the longest is 160 centimeters. So, what is the difference between their two heights? How much is the
Ma'am,
difference?
40 centimeter.
160 centimeter minus 120 centimeter is 40 centimeter.
Ma'am,
This
my
way,
brother is 2.5.
this way you measure the height of the tallest family member and the shortest, and find the difference and write it in your textbook. Got it, everyone? So this page 15
Yes,
page
ma'am.
number you will complete it as your home task.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, students.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Bye, ma'am.
Okay,
Bye,
Arnav.
ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Bye, ma'am.